Good morning, boys and girls. This is a practical lesson and you will need your maths objects. So remember that means some longer objects that you can use for tens and some smaller objects that you can use for ones. In today's lesson, we will be exchanging, and I'll come back to that in a minute. Are you ready to sing with me? I love maths, yes I do. I love maths, how about you? We love maths, yes we do. We love maths and we're ready to. Star words. Tens, ones, part, whole. Part, whole. Subtraction means take away. Find the difference means subtraction or take away. And we're going to be looking at the column method. Another really important word I've forgotten, goodness me, Miss Hemingway, is exchange. We are going to be exchanging today. So by exchanging I mean 110 can be swapped, can be exchanged for 10 ones, because 1 10 and 10 ones is worth the same value. And this can help us when subtracting numbers that cross 10, where we don't have enough ones in the ones column to complete our subtraction, and so we need to take some ones out of the tens. Okay, get your maths objects. We're going to practice our place value very quickly. I want you to make the numbers that pop up. Are you ready? Okay, 52. How many tens and how many ones? Make it quickly. Pause the video. Okay, super job. So you should have had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens and 2 ones. Does that look about right? Let's have another go. Make the number 58. 58. Pause the video. Superstar. So you should have had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. Does that look right? Last time. No, I'm going to change that. 60. 64. I want you to pause the video and make the number 64. How many tens do we have and how many ones? Fantastic. So you should have had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Can you see how I do my ones in a pattern? It helps me count them quicker. So if I do 2 together, and then I know that 4 lots of 2 would be 8 and 2 lots of 2 would be 4. A little bit like what you see on a dice. Okay, so just a reminder, 1 10 is worth the same as 10 ones. All of these ones have been put together to make 110. If you're using different objects like pasta and beans, they might not actually look exactly the same when they're put together. So you just need to know 110 has the same value as 10 ones. And today we're going to be exchanging. So we're going to do some together. And then we'll have a few practices. And then I want you to go and do it on your own. It is a bit tricky, so we're going to do a bit of a guided lesson today. So my first subtraction is 42 take away 19. So I make the first number, don't I? I've made the number 42. 42 has 1, 2, 3, 4 tens and 2 ones. And I need to take away the number 19. 19 has 1 10 and 9 ones. Where do I always start? Do I start in the tens or the ones column? That's right, the ones. I start in the ones column. Now, do I have 9 ones that I can take away here? No, I only have 2 ones. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to exchange. So I'm going to take a 10 into the ones column. And I'm just going to exchange it for 10 individual ones, because that's what I need. I'm going to swap 1 10 for 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I've swapped them over. Now I can take away 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Put that there. I've taken away 9 ones. Now I need to take away 1 10. So to check that, let's just check it down here. I have taken away the number 19, 1 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. Perfect. I have 2 10s and 3 ones. So 42 take away 19 is 23. Let's practice again. My calculation is 31 take away 15. So I have made the first number. The first number is 31. It has 3 10s and 1 1. Now I'm going to take away the number 15. 15 has 1 10 and 5 ones. Okay. Oh, I don't have 5 ones. What can I do? I'm going to have to exchange, aren't I? So I will put this here, 1 10, and I'm going to exchange it for 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 9, 10. I've exchanged it for 10 ones. Now, just want you to notice that right now I have not taken away anything. It looks like I've taken away 1 10 from here, but I haven't, because my 1 10 is over here now. So let's just check that. The number is 31. I need 3 10s. 1, 2, 3 10s and 1 1. Okay? I've not taken away anything yet. Now I'm going to take away the number 15. 1 10 and 5 ones. Starting in the ones column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1 10. So let's check. I've taken away the number 15. 15 is 1 10 and 5 ones. 1 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So what do I have left? I have 1 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. 31 take away 15 is equal to 16. Okay, let's practice that one more time and then we're going to do it together. Okay? So, my subtraction is 67 take away 29. I have made the number 67. 6 tens and 7 ones. And I'm going to take away the number 29. 2 tens and 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't have enough ones because I don't have 9 ones yet. So I'm going to, what's the word? Exchange. Your turn. Exchange. Here we go. So I put a 10 into my ones column and I'm just going to swap it for 10 ones because it's worth the same, it's just that I'm breaking up that 10 into the 10 ones that made it. Eight, 9, 10. Can you see it's the same, it's just broken up. So I'll swap that one now. Okay, so let's check I've still got 67. I need 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I need 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Aha. Now I need to take away 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Put that on there. And 2 tens. 1, 2. So we can check I've taken away the number 29 because I've got 2 tens and 9 ones. So how many do I have left? I have 3 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. 67 take away 29 is equal to 38. Super. If you're a bit unsure about that, I want you to rewind the video and just watch those 3 examples again. Because now we are going to use our maths objects to solve a calculation together. The calculation we're going to solve is 54 take away 26. Okay, which number are we going to make? Not both, like in addition. We're going to do the top one, aren't we? We're not adding, we are taking away. So we're going to make the first number, which is 54. Can you pause the video and make 54 for me? 54 has 5 tens and it has 4 ones. Have you got that? Now we want to take away 26. 2 tens and 6 ones. Do we have 6 ones? No, we don't have 6 ones, do we? So I'm going to exchange this 10 for 10 ones. Can you exchange 1 10 for 2 ones with your maths subjects? Perfect. Now I want you to check with me that the number that you have is still 54. So you still have 5 tens and 4 ones, even if one of your tens is in the ones column now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 5 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Have you got 5 tens and 4 ones? Yeah? So how many do we need to take away? We're going to go in our ones column first. How many are we going to take away? 6. Now I just want to show you, because I've taken a 10 from here, I have to cross it out. I don't have 5 tens anymore in that column, do I? I have 4 tens now in that column. And in this column, I have a 10 and 4 ones. So I have the number 14 in this column now. And we write it like that on our calculation. I know it looks like crossing out, but that's how we do it, okay? 14 take away 6. Let's do that now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many do I have left? 9. Have you taken away 6 ones? How many did you have left? You should have had 9 left. And then, going over to our tens column, it says 4, take away 2. I have 4, and I'm going to take away 2. How many do you have left? You do that to yours. You should have 2 left. Fantastic. Let's try it again. And then I want you to go and have a go all by yourself. And what you can do then is you can come back to the video and watch it again if you need to remind yourself how to do it. Okay? So our calculation we're going to do this time, read it with me, 36 take away 17. Which number am I going to make? 36 or 17? Yes, the first number. I'm going to make 36. So 10, 20, 30, 3 tens and 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want you to pause the video and I want you to make the number 36 with your maths objects. Perfect, well done. Now we're going to take away the number 17. We're going to take away 1 10 and 7 ones. Starting in our ones column, we're going to do 6 take away 7. Do I have 7 ones? No. So we're going to take 10 ones out of the tens column. And that means we're going to exchange. Your turn? Exchange. Great. So I'm just going to swap this 10 for 10 ones and I want you to do the same. Have you done that? Pause the video so you can have a little bit of time to do that. Okay, great. Let's check our number. Our number should be 36. We should have 3 tens and 6 ones. 1, 2, 3 tens and 6 ones. Check yours for me. Great. So now we're going to take away 7 ones. Oh no, I've forgotten something. Have I got 3 tens in this column anymore? No. I've got 2. And I moved 1 over here. So there's still 3, but it's split into 2 there and 1 over there. Okay, let's take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do I have left? You take away 7 from your maths subjects. How many do you have left in your ones column? You should have 9. And the tens column says 2 tens take away 1. So I've got 2, I'm going to take away 1. That leaves me with 1. So 36 take away 17 is equal to 19. Did you get that right? Superstars. What you're going to do now is you're going to find these calculations on the next page, the Thursday page in your home learning pack. And you'll need some scissors. I want you to cut them all out so that you're able to choose one at a time. put them upside down on the table or the floor and pick a calculation to represent with your maths objects. And then you're going to do it just how we have. So you're going to make the first number using your maths objects, and you're going to take away the second number. You will need to exchange because that's what we are practicing today. If you get a little bit stuck and you think it's a bit too hard, I want you to go back and watch the video again to remind yourself how to do it. Okay? What would be amazing is if you could send us some pictures of you doing this activity. I'd absolutely love that. I can't wait to see them. Goodbye everybody. See you tomorrow.